Are you struggling to generate a signed APK in React Native? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face, the dreaded KeyStore File Not Set for signing config release error. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're ready to release your app, but a simple configuration error holds you back. This is a common hurdle for many developers, and we're here to help you overcome it. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, "Where should I store my password.keystore file?" They encountered the error while running the command to generate a signed APK. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what exactly is happening here? The error message indicates that the signing configuration for your release build is not properly set up. This usually means that the path to your KeyStore file is incorrect or that the file is not being recognized. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To resolve the issue with the KeyStore file, the user should first ensure that the password.keystore file is correctly referenced in the build.gradle file. This file should be located in the Android/app directory of the project. Next, the user needs to modify the signing configuration in the build.gradle file. They should ensure that the store file method points to the correct location of the password.keystore file. Now, the user should check if the project has the property defined. If the property is not set, they can define it in the gradle.properties file. This will help avoid the error regarding the keystore file. Finally, the user can run the command to generate the signed APK again. They should use the command gradle assemble release in the terminal to build the release version of the app. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple calculators? Look how far we've come. Now we can create complex applications with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking your gradle.properties file for a variable named password.keystore. Make sure it points to your keystore file. It's recommended to rename it to myAppReleaseStore file for clarity. This way, when you run gradle assemble release, the project will find the property it needs. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach shared by another user is to store sensitive signing parameters outside of the app repository using environment variables. This method enhances security by preventing accidental exposure of sensitive information. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. One user faced the same issue and found that the solution was to edit the gradle.properties file. They suggested adding 2 lines to specify the keystore file and key alias. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests ensuring that the alias name used in your gradle.properties file matches the one you used when creating your keystore with KeyTool. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests placing your gradle.properties file in the Android directory. They found that this location works better than the .gradle directory, which may not be recognized by the system. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your file paths and configurations before running your build commands. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to generate your signed APK without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more troubleshooting advice.